Now you will give them something to gossip about. Too many people have your name in their mouth, wishing, plotting, hoping for your downfall, waiting for you to fail. You've been waiting for your ships to come in, but now the wait is over. These same individuals that gossiped about you, gossiped about your failures, gossiped about your job, how much money you make, whether or not they said it to others, they thought these things about you. You felt it. You felt it within their energy. You felt it in regards to the way they spoke to you. They thought they were better than you. They thought you were beneath them. They were smug. They thought that they could beat you in the game of life, when all along you were just competing with yourself. But your ideas, your way of being, so unique, original. You are an innovator. You are going to go on to win many awards, medals. I'm hearing the word critically acclaimed. You are going to achieve what they thought was unachievable. You will receive financial abundance in this life. You are going to be the emperor of your own life. You are going to be stable in this life. You are going to reach financial freedom in this life. You are going to be settled with a loving partner, a business partner. Some of you are going to be your own boss, a CEO. You're going to run your own business or businesses, is what I'm hearing. You're going to get the recognition that you deserve at work, within your social settings. Justice will be on your side. So give them something to talk about. Give them something to obsess about some more. Because when they witness or see your success, they will not want to mention your name again. Because you're going to shock these individuals. And they're going to have people telling them about your success. So while they were busy looking down on you, thinking that they were better than you, you are working behind the scenes, investing in yourself, pouring into yourself. And you're going to come out with a bang. More power, more confidence, more opportunities. People will be celebrating you, and they will not be able to stand it. That love relationship that they did not want you to have, that they tried to block and stop from you, you're going to receive it. Someone from the past is going to return, especially if these individuals try to stop and block it. For some of you, these individuals wish bad upon your love life. And they're going to be beside themselves when they see that you have many options. You see, you don't chase, you attract. And you are going to have your pick as to who you see fit. And these individuals will be of high caliber, like yourself. You're not settling for crumbs no more. So give them something to gossip about, because what's in store for you, they will not be able to cope with.